This is Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is the 4-in-1 Vario nozzle. Pulls backwards and forwards for high and low pressure. If you look at the system itself, it tells you on there. So if you push it forward, you go into low pressure and pull back for high pressure. Also turns from right to left, so you can change the angle by turning it. But obviously what you would do is pull the trigger on the gun, pressurise it up to alter the fins. So the stainless steel fins that are in there, as you turn it, they're close together, so it's changing the spray pattern of the angle from a 0 degree, opening it right up. Some people say what they're wanting to do is have a shorter lance. So the Vario nozzle is the one that we use in the marketplace. This is with a quick release setup in the middle section. You can buy it with just a screw fitting if you wanted to. So that nozzle there, Vario 4-in-1, can be used directly straight into the lance on a screw fitting, with a brass fitting there like that instead of quick release. Thank you much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.